Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Jeffree Star x Morphe palette and the Starberry Set and Refresh Mist. So if you want to see how I created this eye look and what I thought of the palette and the mist, then just keep watching. Before we get into the video though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. I do a lot of Jeffree Star videos, quite frankly, but I do a lot of reviews, and I do Project Pan, and I've started a 3 looks 1 palette series, which I'm going to do another video on this palette. So if you're interested, then do subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay primer potion. I'm just going to kind of get my hair out of my face. If my hair looks bad, it's because it's still slightly damp. It just takes forever to dry, and I just don't have the patience to actually, I don't know, like stand around and dry my hair for as long as it actually takes to dry my hair. So, okay, so I'm going to set that with this second colour down here called Lynn, because it's like a perfect cream shade. And of course my hair is just back in front of my face. I can't keep it out of my face, it just wants to go there. There's quite a bit of kick up in the pan, so might want to just be wary of that. I mean, I don't mind kick up in the pan if the formula is good and if it's pigmented, so, but I find it a little odd that, you know, a basic cream shade has so much kick up, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Wake and Bake on a big fluffy brush. This is my Zoeva Luxe Crease brush. I'm just gonna take that in the crease as the brush suggests. Should I zoom in? I'm gonna zoom in some more. Just give me a second. Okay, I think that's in focus, but I can't fully tell, so if it's blurry, I'm very sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the green next to it called Nate. On like a round crease brush. It's a little bit more dense for packing on colour. And I'm going to go like right in the crease with this shade. And I'm just going to build it up little by little, because I don't want to put too much on and then like have to blend it out all the way up to my eyebrow. And I'm just going to pop it on the outer corner as well. I'm going to go back into a little bit of Wake and Bake on the crease brush again, just to blend out the edges. Bear in mind these shades are being used on a dry base, because that's how I used to do my eyeshadow. And I'm quite happy with the pigment already. I haven't put any concealer on my eyelids before priming, because I kind of wanted to see how opaque the shadows would be on their own. But obviously if you use a wet base, these shadows are going to pop even more. But I think from being on a dry base, they are nicely pigmented. Because remember, this isn't Jeffree Star's formula, this is Morphe's formula. You know? I'm just going to add a tiny bit more of Nate on the same brush. I'm just going to kind of keep going back between the two, just until I feel like it's blended nicely. Okay, I'm going to go back in with this round brush, and I'm going to go into the black, which is called Fast Lane. I'm going to add that on the outer corner. So far I've had no fallout underneath my eye, by the way, so I'm happy about that. Like I say, I'm taking a little bit at a time. I haven't done my base first, just so that if I did have fallout, then, you know, it'd be easy to clean up. But I suppose because I'm taking little bits at a time and building up, there's not been any fallout, which is nice. Okay, I'm going back in with my Zoeva brush just to blend out the edges of the black into the green. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to do a cut crease because I really just want to use the glitter and kind of diffuse it up. But I also want to use Glam Rapids, this corner shade. Okay, I'm going to take a little brush and Glam Rapids, sorry, not Glam. And just kind of pop this where my skin is meeting the black. Just to kind of start that blend going before I put the glitter on. I'm using this dry and it's really pretty. And like very shimmery. Okay, I'm going to use my NYX glitter glue. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And obviously use this to adhere the pressed glitter called Millions onto my eyelid. Oh wow, okay. Okay, I'm just going to kind of diffuse that upwards a little bit. And obviously outwards towards the black. I'm glad I put this shimmer down first because then it just kind of, it's already, like the black's already blended. Like blending a glitter into a black, I just don't see how that would work very well. Because I've already got some shimmer down. It's working alright. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera and then we will come back to do the rest, like the under eyes and the rest of my eyes. Okay, hopefully I'm in focus again. So I've done the rest of my makeup. I'm just going to finish my eyes now. So what I'm going to do actually, because I feel like I want a little bit, this look to go a little bit higher, if that makes sense. I'm going to go into Wake and Bake, the tiniest amount. And I'm just going to kind of go over the edges of my eye. Not the edges of my eye, the edges of the eyeshadow that's already like there. Okay, I'm also going to go back into the black with the same brush that I'd used for the black. Because I feel like we've lost quite a bit of it, honestly. So I just want to deepen this up. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this colour here called Designer Label. Because it's like the best tone, I guess, for this eye. There's a few shades, I think, in this palette where you could use for the inner corner. But I think Designer Label is going to work with pretty much every eye look you're going to do. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into Nate and smudge that along my lash line. I'm mixing a little bit of Wake and Bake on top to make it more like a really green, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna get an angled brush and Fastlane, the black, and I'm gonna kind of pack that really tightly onto the lash line. Don't know how I'm gonna get a different mirror. And then with a little fluffy brush, I'm going to kind of blend that line out so it's not a harsh line between the black and the green. Okay, I'm just going to line my upper and lower waterline with the Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof eye definer, it's called, but it's not eyeliner. I'm also going to use the CR8 Fierce Flicks liquid liner to just do a quick wing. I'm going to do that off camera because A, I need to be like this. And B, this is not what the video is about. Okay, so I also have the Set and Refresh Mist. I've put lashes on, by the way, and my mascara and everything, because I figured I might as well while I was off camera. I've not tried the original one of these, but I really wanted to. So when he brought out a strawberry, so strawberry scented, and apparently it is, it's a slightly different formula, so it's more hydrating. I thought I'd have to try it out. My best friend Baven loves this. So, the original. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way. Okay. Oh wow, I didn't feel that at all. It smells, I wouldn't say it smells like strawberry, it kind of smells like strawberry sweets. but I did not feel that at all, so I feel like my face got really nicely covered there. Also, sorry about the lighting, it's like a sunny day, so I've got my blinds closed, but it's still a bit uneven, so can't help that. It kind of tastes how it smells as well. I don't advise eating it, but I've kind of tasted some as I'm now breathing it in. I mean, to be fair, my makeup today is not doing its finest, so I might just spray a bunch more on. I don't know why I'm shaking it. It's an aerosol. Oh, that's actually like on my forehead. That's really refreshed the makeup on my forehead. It was looking a little bit not great. So yeah, I like the smell of that. Hopefully, I mean, I'm not doing a wear test. It's already 3:15. I just wanted to try this out, so yeah, I don't know why I'm putting it back in the box, but yeah, anyway. I'm going to do some swatches of some other shades in this, because obviously all I've used is Lynn, Designer Label, Glam Rapids, Wake and Bake, Nate, Millions, and Fast Lane. So I've used 7 shades out of 35. I want to swatch Welcome and 2 from the top row. Let's go for some mattes. Honest Truth and Self-Made. They're a little bit like chunky. I don't know if you can see on my hand there, like the mattes. But okay, let's just go on the back of my hand. Okay, that pink is really pretty. Both the shimmers are really nice, and that peach is actually swatched really nicely and pigmented for being, you know, a light peach shade. Yeah, that pink's really pretty, but that's really stained my pinky. I'm just gonna hold up the pan so you can see what the peach one's done. Can you see? It's like gone onto this like sparkly peach. It's like a bit chunky, but as long as it doesn't go on the eye like that, then I'm happy. The pigment seems really nice. So, oh, I'm gonna swatch Custom Rims, Don't Know Her, Calabasas, and Mogul on my other hand. Ooh, Custom Rims is really pretty. Yeah, these are really crumbly. But the shades are really pretty. So it's, I mean, it doesn't matter how they swatch, it's how they actually perform on the eye. Okay, well, I think I'm definitely going to do a 3 looks 1 palette video on this palette. It probably won't be my next video though, because I have like a comparison video that I want to do, but you never know, might be the next one. But it'll be either the next video or the video after that I'm going to do on this. Yeah, so far I really like this. I think obviously the formula is not quite on par with his palettes, but the price point is also very different. But I do like the palette, and I think for the price, for the amount of shades you're getting and the quality of the shades for the price, I think it is good value for money. And so far I'm also liking the setting spray, but I cannot say much from just spraying it, but it smells quite nice and it felt nice, and I really liked how you couldn't really even feel it going on your face, because I hate setting sprays that are just like blotchy and horrible. So yeah, we shall see in the future. If it comes up in a favourites, you know I really like it, or if I repurchase that one or the original, you'll know I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, if you're new here. I do quite a lot of Jeffree Star videos. Whenever something's released, I seem to review it. You know, stuff I like. I didn't review Blue Blood. I'm not too big into blues. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.